Hello and welcome. My name is Jocelyn and today we have a very special Stitch Fix unboxing. If you caught my last Stitch Fix unboxing, I mentioned that I wanted to schedule one a little bit sooner than my regular scheduled fixes because I wanted it to be an activewear only fix. And I think that I filled in my notes properly, so everything in here should be just activewear. I guess we'll find out. Lindsay is my stylist, unless for some reason she was on vacation or something. As I'm opening it, Stitch Fix is a styling subscription service. Someone who works for Stitch Fix sends you clothing that they think that you'll like based on a style profile. Last time I was looking through the style profile, I think that they had kind of a section specific to workout clothes, which I edited so that it was accurate, and I'm very excited to see what they have in here. There is a $20 styling fee that does go towards anything you choose to keep and pay for in the box. If you use my referral link down below, you do get $25 off of your first fix, which means the styling fee is waived and $25 goes towards any item that you love and choose to keep. And if you're anything like me, my first box I chose to keep everything, and usually I find at least one item in every box that I want to keep. I think that was everything. I will leave a ton more information down in the description box if you would like to check it out. Okay, so we first have the prepaid mailer envelope to send everything back that I don't want to hold on to, and we also should have somewhere, well, yep, here it is. This is the style guide. It's kind of weird. It's in just a plain envelope. Usually there's a Stitch Fix specific envelope, so that's a bit odd. And then we have the clothes. What's on top? What do we have? What do we have? What is this? Ooh, this is cute. Okay, so this is what looks like a workout tank. It's just a plain black workout tank, which I love. It's got kind of see-through material, which is nice. That means it's very nice and breathable. And on the back, we have this really cute crisscross pattern. Let me find the Stitch Fix tag. So this is by the brand Gaim. McKenna cross back tank, black size medium. So this is really cute. I am pretty stoked about this. Okay, next we have, ooh, what is this? Ooh, oh, interesting. Huh, how weird. This must be a sports bra. It's kind of camo, but it's blue, so I don't mind that at all. This is by the brand FP Movement Square Neck Good Karma Bra, navy size medium. This is really unique. Oh, hello, Felix. Don't mind him. I'm pretty excited to try this on. All I have is like standard sports bras, but this is really cute. Nice stretchy material. It doesn't look like it'll, ooh, that's nice. That's got some nice stretch to it. Okay, this is a really unique piece. I'm really excited to try that on. Next we have another top. This just looks like a nice plain striped top that you could use, I guess, for working out or lounging or just to wear around. So this is by Market and Spruce. This is the Joanna high-low knit top, medium size small. Oh, okay, so it does have a little bit of the high-low down here. All right, I like stripes. Next, I think we have two pairs of leggings, I'm pretty sure. So first, nice, these ones are a little bit longer. Let's see, ooh, these are by the brand Beyond Yoga. These are the Gabriella Capri legging, dark gray size medium. These are really cute. It doesn't look like they have any pockets, but that's okay. I don't absolutely need pockets. It's just helpful with my insulin pump. If it's a really good pair of leggings and it fits just beautifully, I can survive without a pocket to put my pump in. I'll just stick it in the waistband and that's fine. These are really soft, made in the USA. All right, I'm excited to try these on. And of course they're gray, which I love. All right, and last, we have the other pair of leggings. Let me move the tissue paper out of the way. These do have pockets, all right. And these are another pair of leggings. They look like they might be a little big. I might be wrong though. These are, oh, this is another clothing item by FP Movement. This is the Breathe Easy legging, black size medium. And all right, so these are more of like the silky material. I'm sure that it probably says, wait a minute. Free People Movement. I'm dumb. Oh, that's what that stands for, huh? Free People. So this is oh, these are gonna be expensive. Oh no. Okay, so Free People. All right, so this is more of like the spandexy material, and then the other leggings, which I've lost. These ones are a little softer, a little more kind of the cotton material. Okay, we have now gotten all the pieces out, and I have my style guide and my pricing guide. Let me look at the style guide first. This is so cute. Okay, usually I don't read my notes from Lindsay, who is my stylist, but this is so, I want to read you the beginning of it because it's really cute. She said, "Hey there, Jocelyn, I need 1,000,000 more characters to write your notes." And then she also goes in to say, first off, it's the worst when I can't fulfill your requests. I want to be completely transparent that although I did find some fabulous workout options, I fully understand the leggings are not in your preferred price point. So, just like I thought, they are gonna be a little more up there, but I have looked into buying some higher end leggings from online, but I was afraid, because I hate returning stuff unless it's something easy like this where I just stick it in a bag, drop it off at the post office. I hate returning things, especially that come online, and so I was worried to order from like Lululemon because I was worried that I was gonna get them and they just weren't gonna be what I was looking for. So I am willing to spend a little bit more on leggings. How much more? I guess we'll see. Oh, also, this is what my style guide looks like. So we have all of the pieces and how everything fits together. I'm very excited. I definitely think I'm gonna be able to find some pieces in here that I'm gonna wanna hold on to. So, oh, okay. Not outrageous, all right. I was expecting the leggings to possibly be over $100 and they're not. They're right under $100, okay? But again, I was expecting to maybe buy a pair of Lululemons. Maybe, you know, they're expensive, but I've been working out like every single day and could use some good pair of leggings that will last me a long time. Okay, I digress. Let's continue. So the first leggings on here are the Beyond Yoga. These ones, the super soft ones, these are $88, so definitely up there. Next, we have the Free People Breathe Easy leggings, so the ones in my hand. Oh, I'm excited to try these on, but these are $98. So $98 pair of leggings and a $88 pair of leggings. The Free People Square Neck Good Karma bra. Oof. $58. It's just so cool looking. If this is just like the most perfect sports bra, I might be tempted. We'll see how it fits and how it feels, because it feels like it's going to fit and feel amazing on. So this one's $58. Next, we have the Market and Spruce high-low knit top, which is the striped top, and this is $44. And then finally, we have the McKenna crossback tank. This is the cheapest thing in the box. This is $30. Really excited about this. I'm not the most excited about this. This is something that I like, but I have quite a few striped t-shirts nowadays, and it's just not something I need as much. I think everything else I'm pretty excited to try on. So the total cost of my entire box is one of the most expensive ones that I've gotten in a while, which is $318. If I wanted to keep all 5 items, I would get a discount of $79.50. And that would bring the total down to $238.50. And I do have some credit. I would still end up having to pay on this order, but if I wanted to hold on to everything, it would be a little less than the $238.50. Holy moly, I'm excited. Let's try all these things on. Okay, so this is the mirror in my kind of entryway. So the lighting is a bit strange, but I put on the Beyond Yoga leggings, and oh my god, these are probably the most comfortable pair of leggings I've ever worn in my life. They sit and they fit really well up here. There is a seam right here, but they fit really good. A lot of leggings go like way past my ankle, but these fit at a pretty decent height. I'm not sure why this one's so much shorter than this one. It probably is the way that I put them on. And then I also have on the Free People sports bra, which is doing something weird with my boobs. It looks pretty strange. Like, I can't tell if I really love the way that it looks or I don't not like it. It just looks different. Like, I've never owned something that fits quite like this. Usually my straps come here and not all the way to the edge of my shoulders. Maybe it's just my body type. I don't know. I don't know how well you'll be able to see the back, but that's what the back looks like. Maybe because I'm so undecided, it should be a no. The leggings, I feel like, are probably going to be a yes, at least at this point. We'll see how the Free People leggings fit, but I do like these ones. I think I'm gonna put on the striped top first, show that real fast, and then put on the other leggings and the other tank, workout tank. Okay, here we go. Here's the striped shirt. Oh wow, that goes really far down. This is what it looks like untucked. Yeah, nah. It's my style because it's striped and it's comfortable, but it is a little too slouchy, and it's just not something I need. Not when I might be spending $100 or $200 on a couple pair of leggings. So we'll see. I do love these though, but this is not necessary at this time. Even though, I mean, the more I wear it, the cuter it looks, especially with like the very tight leggings and then the super slouchy shirt. It's kind of a cute look. Okay, moving on. So the shirt, I do like the shirt. I still have the sports bra on from before. The shirt is comfortable, it's cute. I don't know that it really goes with this sports bra, just because it's kind of hard to see because they're both dark, but usually my sports bras go like more here, not so much here, so this doesn't quite look quite right. Oh yeah, the back is cute. I don't know how well, again, you're gonna be able to see that, but the back is cute. So this might be something I'm interested in keeping. The leggings, these are the Free People leggings. They're kind of, I like where they hit on the calves, but I just don't know. They're kind of loose in like all of this area, even up here a little bit. They're high-waisted, which is nice. Oh, they've got that cute crimping. I do like that. I don't know if they're supposed to be a little bit bigger, but they do fit like a lot looser. Like there's a lot of extra space in and around the waist area, which is a bummer. Oh, also kind of right there, you can see on the legs, there's just some extra space. And again, I don't know if they're supposed to fit like that. These do say that they're Breathe Easy leggings. So again, I'm not sure if that's supposed to mean that they're supposed to be a little bit loose, but they are a little bit loose, and that's just not what I'm looking for. So unfortunately for my wallet, these are gonna go back. And then I think that's it, right? I've tried everything on. So I might go put on a different sports bra with this top and see kind of how I feel about it. But I think I've pretty much got all my final thoughts. I almost forgot to show you, but this is what a normal sports bra looks like with this. I did put my shorts back on, and there is the back of the shirt this way. I really like it with my normal sports bras on. This fits really good, so I think that this is gonna stay too. Ooh, it's such a nice, soft, breathable material too. I like this. I like this a lot. Okay, here we are. I did put back on my previous shirt, but I left on the sports bra I had. Not that you care. Okay, so let's talk. I am gonna send back, I think, both Free People items, which is unfortunate. Would have been cool to have a Free People item, but neither one of these was quite right. I didn't want to spend, what was it, like $98 on the Free People leggings? Yeah, $98. This was not a win for me. This was something I was really interested in, but it just wasn't quite right. I would really like to have a sports bra that is shaped like this, but this one just wasn't quite the right one for me. It was very close, but not for $58. I'd like to find one that's just a little more fit for me. So both of these items are going to go back, along with this shirt. I like it, it was comfortable, but I'm keeping two other things that are gonna run that price tag up, so I might as well send this one back. I am gonna go ahead and keep the tank. I could use more summer wear items like this. It's a black neutral color, so I can wear it with any of my sports bras, any of my leggings, and it's nice, breathable, comfortable, and I love the back. I think it's super cute. So this is gonna stay. And then I'm gonna keep these. I'm so excited. These are the Beyond Yoga Gabriella Capri leggings, and now I know that I really like Beyond Yoga leggings. They were one of the websites that I was looking at when I was thinking about buying some leggings online. So now that I know that I love them so much and that a size medium does in fact fit me, I am interested in looking on their website and possibly picking up some more items from them. So this was fun. I found something I like and a brand that I like. And I think that Lindsay also said in her note, the Beyond Yoga Capris have an unbelievably soft hand feel and are sustainably sourced. We love it. Created by a former yoga instructor, the Beyond Yoga pants are made in the USA and are designed and tested to ensure optimal comfort and functionality. I think that's a win. All right, so I'm keeping two things. Sending back 3, pretty successful. I'm very excited. I know some people, well, I think like 1 or 2 people, maybe just 1 person in the comments on my last Stitch Fix unboxing said that they had tried, or their friends had tried to do something like this, a activewear centered fix, and it hadn't worked out for them. But I feel like this worked out, and my friend Paige did the same thing, asked for a workout centered box, and they delivered. All of her stuff was workout focused, and she ended up keeping, I think, a few things from that box. So if you'd like to try it out, I would highly recommend. It worked out for me, it worked out for her. Hopefully those other instances that somebody brought to my attention were a while ago, and they've worked on getting more workout gear in their warehouses, their collection, to send to us. I don't know. Okay. I hope you enjoyed. Again, if you would like to try Stitch Fix out, I thought I could end this video before my battery died, but turned out that was not the case. So if you would like to try Stitch Fix for yourself, I will leave a referral link down below where you can get $25 off of your first fix towards anything you choose to keep out of your box, and it also waives the styling fee. I get $25 off of my next fix, so a huge thanks to anybody who chooses to sign up. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for any future unboxings, and I think that's everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.